Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to create Bilibili account on your PC or your phone. It's very simple. Okay, first go to bilibili.com and then if you want to translate, just click on this translate. Okay, if you're using Chrome browser or Edge browser, you can simply translate. Okay, because basically it will be displayed in Chinese language. Then we need to see this login page. Okay, here you can log in and here we need to provide this. First we need to register. Okay, do not use Chrome browser because it is not working properly. So I use Edge browser, so I'm able to change. Okay, so I'm able to change that. So now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to choose my country. Once you provide a phone number, right, you can click on this get the verification code and you need to solve this puzzle. And the next thing we need to check your mobile, okay, and enter the verification code here. This is what I got, and then login and transfer. Login and register. Guys, it's successfully registered, guys. So now you can check whatever you want. So now you can see the attentions, fans, and the fans followers, everything here. Okay, so this is the individual center. You can check. So always translate, okay, your page. And here you can give your email ID if you want. So that's it, friends. Now I will be able to log in and now you can watch the video if you want. So choose always, if you're from different country, just change this, okay? And you can translate your language. So this is the way you can create the account. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.